Despite repeated notices and basic facilities being turned off, former Aviation Minister Ajit Singh continues to latch onto his bungalow. In fact, Ajit Singh's supporters have claimed that they will continue their protest by openly disrupting law and order in the capital. But BJP is also firm on its position to evict those VVIP squatters.
These protesters on the outskirts of Delhi threatening to cut off water supply to the nation's capital. Police having to resort to lathi charge and water cannons. 200 RLD and Bharatiya Kisan Union workers propped up by a VVIP squatter shamelessly flexing his political muscle.
We are at Gang Vihar water barrage. As you can see, supporters of Bharat Kisan Union and Ajit Singh have gathered here in large number. They in fact want to break through the barricade and try stopping the water supply that goes to Delhi.
Why this protest? Just days earlier, Delhi civic body officials cut water supply to Ajit Singh's house for overstaying even after he wasn't a minister.
जो चौधरी चरण सिंह की स्मारक है 12 तुगलक रोड दिल्ली में, उसका बिजली और पानी काट दिया। हमने भी सरकारों को ये कहा कि हम दिल्ली में नहीं आने देंगे अगर आप हमारे कोठी का काटोगे।
But now, in an outrageous attempt to arm twist the centre, this brazen VVIP squatter is going a step further, trying to build an emotional argument.
Memories, the feelings of lakhs of farmers are attached to this house because my father lived here.
This banner put up here sending out a loud and clear message, that of sheer defiance. First the excuses and then the flip-flops. And with Haryana elections round the corner and Chief Minister Bhupinder Singh Hooda jumping into the cause of this house being converted into a memorial for Chaudhry Charan Singh, it is very clear that the attempt is to woo the Jat community.
Ajit Singh supporters still defiant, claiming it's not about him, but the promise government made decades ago to the farmers of the country.
बात सुनिए अब एक मिनट, बट युद्धवीर जी तरह शांत होकर एक बात सुनिए। आजकल कोई भी 1000-2000 गुंडों को लेकर ये कह सकता है हम बहुत
सारे किसान गुंडे हो गए।
मैं आपको कह रहा हूं जो लॉ एंड ऑर्डर किसान क्यों कहते रहते हैं, जो लॉ एंड ऑर्डर अपने हाथ में लेगा, जो लॉ एंड ऑर्डर अपने हाथ में लेगा,
बुजुर्ग थे वो सब गुंडे थे।
जो कानून तोड़ेगा वो गुनहगार है।
आज अपनी
जो कानून तोड़ेगा वो गुनहगार है। और आप आज दिल्ली के लोगों को कह रहे हैं, आप दिल्ली के लोगों को कह रहे हैं
अधिकार है।
क्या अधिकार है आपको?
आंदोलन करना अधिकार है।
ये आंदोलन नहीं है, ये बेशर्मी है।
अरे बेशर्मी मतलब आपके कहने से है ना।
ये इसको कहते हैं, जिसका हिंदी रूपांतर आप कह सकते हैं, इसको कहते हैं ब्लैकमेल। इसको कहते हैं ब्लैकमेल।
Should the centre take action against Ajit Singh for holding Delhi to ransom?
He has lost this election. He does not actually represent the legacy of Charan Singh. He would not have approved of this kind of, in a way, this kind of street politics.
Congress sensing a political opportunity, backing RLD's demand for a memorial for Chaudhry Charan Singh. The big question remains, for how long will these squatters shamelessly hold on to government property? Bureau Report, Times Now.